Hey guys, it's Miss Cynthia. Today I'm going to be reading a book to you guys called World of Farming Farm Animals. Today we're going to be learning about different animals we find on a farm, what they're used for. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. This book is by Nancy Dickman. That is the author. And this is the table of contents to tell us where you can find information and what we're going to be learning. What is a farm animal? A farm is a place where food grows or is grown. Many animals live on a farm. Cows live on a farm. Some cows give us milk. Look at there. They're milking that cow. Chickens live on a farm. Do you know what sound a chicken makes? That's right. Some chickens lay eggs. Pigs live on a farm. Do you know what sound a pig makes? Yep, that's right. Oink, oink. Pigs love to roll around in the mud. Sheep live on a farm. Do you know what sound a sheep makes? Go ahead. Sheep give us wool. They give us wool to make some clothes. Some coats and blankies. Some farms have ducks. What sound does a duck make? That's right. Some farms have llamas. Horses can help us move cows. Ox can help us pull plows. Or an ox. Dogs can help move sheep. Cats can help catch rats and mice. Taking care of the farm animals. Farm animals need food and water. Farm animals need a safe place to sleep. Can you remember which animal gives us milk? Wow, what a great book. Thank you for listening.